What's going on, guys? It's Connor here with TC Bros, and today we're going to be installing a set of the ODI Vans lock-on hand grips onto this Harley Street Bob. First thing we're going to do is cut off the old ones on the clutch side. We're going to go ahead and grab our nice new ones and slide them on. I had to tap these on with my hand. You could probably use a rubber mallet, just something that's not going to tear the ends up. And then after that, you can just go ahead and lock them down with the two Allens that are provided, and they give you an Allen wrench as well. This side was insanely easy and took pretty much no time. I put mine with the bolts facing down so you can't see them, but you can do it however you'd like. After that's done, we're going to go ahead and move on over to the throttle side. Now, the throttle side requires a little bit more effort, but it's still not really hard at all. All you're going to need is a T25 in about 10 minutes, and you're going to have this top plate off. You're going to be able to remove your old throttle tube completely off, and the new one comes with one built into it, so there's no need to really hassle with that at all. You can uninstall the old one, and just like on the clutch side, you're going to go ahead and grab your new one, slide it right on, and lock it into place. I also installed this with the bolts down. Again, you can do it however you'd like. Once the new ones are slid into place and they are where you want them, you're going to go ahead and tighten everything back down and reinstall all the covers, and then you're done. Extremely easy install. They look super clean on the bike and provide a ton of grip compared to your OEM stock ones. We have these and more styles and colors in stock and ready to ship online at tcbros.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.